we are to take the circle shape. If you want to make it more beautiful, then you want to outline it. The second step is to apply glue stick and the whole circle. The next step is to put the yarn and in the circular motion. And you want to press the yarn with anything to fix it on the circle. Extra yarn. Our flower part is ready. The next part is we are going to make the stem and the leaves. For the stem part, we are going to use an ice cream stick. I am going to take a green ice cream stick. But if you don't have a green ice cream stick, then you can color it with paint, green or brown. The next part is to stick the stem and the flower. I'm going to use glue and the back side. Now we have to press the stick. Now we have to stick the leaves. I colored it with green. Now I'm going to stick on the stem. Apply some glue stick on leaf. Stick it on the stem. See, our flower is almost ready. To make it more beautiful, we are going to use this diamond. I apply some glue stick on the diamond and stick it on the center. See, my flower is ready. Does it look beautiful? I made my flower and now my flower is ready. How does it look?